how to log into your King Games account step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is get through any sort of browser. I'm using my Chrome browser right now. In here, what you're going to do is simply search for King Games. After doing that, simply click on the first thing that you'll be able to see right here. And then from here, it depends on what account you actually want to log in. So if you want to redeem the gift card on your account, you can click on redeem gift card. And then from there, you can simply add in your email address and password and then log into your account in order to get your gift card, right? So in here, let's say if you want to join the King Games community, then you can click on community right here, and then you can simply click on sign in right here on the top corner right here, and simply add in your email or username and then password of your account, and then click on sign in order to just log into your account on the Community King, right? So like that, if you want, let's just say if you want to like apply for some sort of job, then you can click on the jobs option right here in order to apply for any sort of jobs on King Games. Then from here, you can simply sign up for your account and then go along with the process. So yeah, that is it. If you guys like want to sign into a specific account on a specific game, then what I recommend you guys do is obviously install that specific game. Like it could be Candy Crush. Simply install that game, and on that specific game you can simply log into your account. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.